Hey there, James Roten, need computer help. Good to see all of my YouTube friends today. I think you know by now that I make a little hobby out of filming these videos on location somewhere. I've come to you from a car dealership. I've come to you from, different creative places. I've come to you out of town. Today I'm in my office. Why am I in my office today? Because when I looked at the weather, there was a river flood warning that showed up on the screen. So I thought, it's probably not a good day to go out. So here we are though. If you look in the background, you can see the downtown Houston skyline from my office. Wanted to chat today about Colonial Pipeline. That happened, last week. It was actually Friday before last that they were attacked, and the pipeline was down for about a week. And I'm going to do a couple of segments on this. Today I'm going to talk about reputation and confidence. So right here at this second, Colonial paid a $5 million ransom. Colonial received the keys to decrypt their data after paying a $5 million ransom. The pipeline is operational, fuel is flowing, life is seemingly good again. Here's the problem. If you see Colonial Pipeline in your LinkedIn feed, the first thing that comes to mind is not a company that carries fuel to the East Coast of the United States. The first thing that comes to your mind is, oh, that's the company that was hacked. It takes a long time to rebuild that reputation as the company that delivers fuel after a cyber attack. And here's the issue. Every customer of theirs has that feeling in their reputation right now. Every supplier of theirs has that feeling in their reputation right now. And perhaps most importantly, every member of their team and every spouse or immediate family member of their team also has that in their reputation. And it's like when a family member or a friend does something to break your trust, and you enter into a period in that relationship of rebuilding that trust. And there's a period that takes time, and during that time, that person cannot make another mistake to further break your trust, or it's even worse after that. So today, all of these companies and all of these people that rely on Colonial Pipeline have a tarnished trust relationship. And I'm talking about that so that you can think about in your business, with your teams, your customers, and your suppliers, if that trust were betrayed today because of a ransomware attack, what does that roadmap look like for you to rebuild that trust moving forward? And is that really something that you want to be going through as an executive or a business owner? I don't want to be going through that. I've witnessed what that looks like, and it's not pretty. And I don't want you to go through that either. So let's talk about the security journey. Let's get you on a roadmap to securing your network so that you are not the one working on a roadmap to rebuild trust with your team, with your customers, and with your suppliers after a cyber attack. James Roten, need computer help. Always great to see you. Look forward to the next one being on location at a place to be determined. Secure those networks, protect your company. Talk to you soon.